Today I'd like to talk with you about our atmospheric water generation device that takes air and makes water that is tasty and drinkable.
Did you know that the largest concentration of water on Earth is not in the oceans? It is in the atmosphere.
There are more than 3.1 quadrillion gallons of water in Earth's atmosphere at any given time. In nature, warm air turns the water from rivers, lakes, and oceans into water vapor that rises into the air. That water vapor forms clouds which contain small drops of water or ice crystals, depending on how high the cloud is and how cold it is. As clouds rise higher and higher, the air gets colder and colder. When the water vapor in the cloud becomes too heavy, it falls back to the ground as rain or snow.
Water exists in the atmosphere as vapor, and humidity is the amount of water in the atmosphere. That makes the atmosphere one of the most credible sources of clean drinking water. How do we fetch it? Well, Aquavolve atmospheric water generators solved it. Aquavolve atmospheric water generators are designed to tap water directly from the atmosphere, filter, treat, and dispense pure natural pH 7 alkaline water for super healthy living.
So how this system works is it gathers ambient air from around the unit itself, and the only thing that's connected to it right now is a cord that's plugged into the wall. So the system draws ambient air through the sides of it. Then it condenses it on a coil, and that then drops down to an evaporation plate that then gravity drops down into this collection tank. From there, it is filtered through a fairly robust filtration system, similar to a reverse osmosis unit. When you drink water that has been through a reverse osmosis system, it leaches, or it takes minerals that we need that are inside of our body that we've gotten from foods and other things out of our body. This system doesn't do that. So 5 filters, then it goes back up into a collection tank, and then from that collection tank you're able to very simply put a container underneath here, access this button here, and you have water dispensed into your container. This unit allows you to program your desired temperature on the cold side as well as the desired temperature on the hot side so that you can have a nice warm beverage of your choice. There are gauges that show you the levels that the unit has so that you know when it's complete. It tells you right now the relative humidity is 36%. It's 75 degrees in the room, and it shows you time of day. So there you have it. Tasty water from the air, no city water, no fluoride in it. Good, reliable, sustainable.
AWG first pulls air through an electrostatic filter, removing 99% of all airborne particles. AWGs create water the same way that nature does, creating water from the moisture in the air.
Aquavolve atmospheric water generators produce pure natural pH 7 alkaline water that rejuvenates the skin, lubricates muscles and joints, and contains anti-aging properties. Aquavolve is a global water solutions company founded in the USA. Aquavolve atmospheric water generators are now in Nigeria. Locate us at 2373 Ochello Street or number 10 Admiralty Way, Lekki Phase 1, Lagos, Nigeria. Aquavolve, building economies of water.